When you are connected on a call, you can perform an attended or introduced transfer to another party. To initiate an attended transfer, click on the Activate Transfer button. This will automatically place the original caller on hold. You can then either navigate to your favorites and find the contact you wish to transfer to. Then hover over their avatar and select the call icon to call. Or you can use the Search Contact or Type Number section to enter a contact name or a phone number, and then hover and click on the call icon to call. Also note that you can expand the contact to see other numbers associated with them, and click on the arrow and select Dial to call that number. When the person answers, you can introduce the call. Then to complete the transfer and connect the parties, click on the Transfer to Here button. You will see the calls disappear from your softphone and the two parties will be connected. If you have started a transfer and the second party does not answer, or they have answered but do not wish to accept the transfer, you can click on the Hang Up Call button. This will disconnect the call to the second party. You can then click on the original caller and press the Resume Call button to take the caller off hold.